Blackview BV9300 Pro full specifications. The device runs on Android version 13, offering a solid performance and user experience. Its dimensions measure 22.8 millimeters in thickness, categorizing it as thick, and it weighs 525 grams, making it considerably heavy compared to other smartphones. Additionally, it features a rear fingerprint sensor for enhanced security and convenient access, further contributing to its overall utility. The device features a 6.7-inch IPS display that boasts an average resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of 391 pixels per inch PPI, which can be considered subpar by modern standards. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, ensuring durability against scratches and minor impacts. Additionally, it supports a fluid 120 Hz refresh rate, allowing for smoother visuals and enhanced responsiveness, making it suitable for gaming and fast-paced content. Despite its strengths in refresh rate and glass protection, the overall display quality may fall short for users who prioritize high pixel density and clarity. The camera system features a dual rear setup, comprising a 64-megapixel primary sensor, complemented by an 8-megapixel secondary sensor, enabling users to capture detailed images with enhanced versatility. It supports full HD video recording at 1080p and 30 frames per second, allowing for decent quality in video capture. For selfies, the device boasts a 32-megapixel front camera, which ensures high-resolution self-portraits. The rear camera utilizes the Samsung ISOCELL GW3 sensor, known for its ability to deliver average performance in various lighting conditions. The device is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, featuring an octa-core processor clocked at 2.2 GHz, which delivers decent performance for everyday tasks, although it may be considered slow for more demanding applications. It comes equipped with 12 GB of RAM, supplemented by an additional 12 GB of virtual RAM, providing a total of 24 GB for multitasking, which is average in terms of speed and efficiency. The internal storage capacity stands at 256 GB, offering ample space for apps, media, and files, but it is categorized as average in performance. For further storage expansion, the device supports a hybrid memory card slot, allowing users to add up to 1 TB of additional memory, ensuring flexibility for those requiring extra storage. The device offers high-speed connectivity with 4G capability, ensuring fast and reliable internet access. It also features Bluetooth V5.2, Wi-Fi, and NFC for seamless wireless communication and data transfer. Additionally, the inclusion of a USB-C port allows for convenient and versatile connectivity options for charging and data transfer. The large 15,080 mAh battery provides ample power for extended use, ensuring that your device stays charged throughout the day. Additionally, the 33-watt fast charging feature allows for quick and efficient recharging, providing convenience for users on the go.